The wild is alive with messages. Wolves howling, whales singing, birds warning of danger. These aren't just noises, they're vital signals, shaping survival and social bonds. For centuries we've watched and listened, but the true emotional depth behind these sounds has eluded us. Our senses catch only fragments, obvious signals like a growl or a yelp, while the subtler emotions remain a mystery. Understanding these inner lives isn't just curiosity, it's the key to empathy and responsible stewardship of nature. But now, a new tool is changing everything. Artificial intelligence, with its power to detect hidden patterns in sound, is becoming our digital interpreter. It's learning the ancient languages of the animal kingdom, offering us a key to unlock the emotional worlds of the creatures we share this planet with. For the first time, we're on the verge of truly listening to the wild. At the University of Copenhagen, scientists set out to decode the emotional lives of farm animals: pigs, cows, sheep, goats, and horses, using AI. They collected thousands of vocalizations, each tied to specific situations designed to evoke positive or negative emotions. The challenge was immense. How to find meaning in this sea of sound? Enter artificial intelligence, trained not just to recognize a grunt or a moo, but to learn the emotional context behind each sound. The AI analyzed pitch, tone, and duration, comparing, for example, the happy grunts of piglets with the distressed squeals of those in isolation. Without being told what to look for, the AI identified the acoustic signatures of emotion. The results were astonishing. The AI could reliably tell if an animal was content or stressed, simply by listening. This breakthrough moves us from guesswork to data-driven empathy. We now have a scientific window into the feelings of animals that have long been part of our lives. To decode emotion, scientists use two axes, arousal and valence. Arousal measures intensity, calm or energetic. Valence measures positivity, pleasant or unpleasant. A cat napping is low arousal, chasing a toy is high. A dog enjoying a belly rub is positive valence. Startled by thunder, negative. By mapping animal emotions this way, researchers created a nuanced emotional atlas. They designed experiments to place animals in each quadrant: calm contentment, playful excitement, anxious distress. The AI learned to match vocal patterns to these emotional states, not just happy or sad, but the full spectrum. It could take a new sound and plot it on this map, revealing the animal's likely feeling. This method gives us a powerful new way to see into animal minds. The emotional map is now a tool for understanding, not just observing. AI is turning animal sounds into a language we can finally begin to read. As AI analyzed thousands of calls, a remarkable pattern emerged. Emotional signals were strikingly similar across pigs, cows, and horses. Distress calls, long, erratic, high-pitched, were universal alarms, while contentment was marked by shorter, stable sounds. These shared acoustic markers suggest a common evolutionary language of emotion among mammals. The AI uncovered a sonic blueprint for emotion, revealing how mammals express their inner worlds. This discovery hints at a universal, non-verbal language of emotion, bridging species. An AI trained on farm animals could, with adaptation, decode wild animal emotions too. We're learning not just to understand a pig or a cow, but the very principles of how emotion is encoded in sound. It's a discovery that connects us to a shared heritage we never knew we had. The impact of this technology is profound. On farms, AI welfareometers could monitor animal well-being in real time, alerting farmers to stress before it becomes suffering. In conservation, we could track the emotional health of endangered species by listening to their calls from afar. This non-invasive tool could revolutionize animal welfare and ecosystem management. The technology is young, and more data from diverse species and wild environments is needed. But the future is bright. A revolution in interspecies understanding is underway. AI is more than a scientific tool. It's a bridge to empathy and respect for the natural world. For the first time, we're not just observing animals. We're truly beginning to listen and to understand.